Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the controller gamepad not working for Tainted Fall. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go ahead and select Steam Settings. Once these Steam settings are open, you want to make your way over to Controller. Now from Controller, you want to go ahead and disable two settings. The first setting you want to disable is enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, and then the second setting you want to disable is enable Steam input for generic controllers. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and X out of Steam settings, and then you can also X out of Steam, and then you can try launching up the game again, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager in the search bar. Once the device manager is open, you want to go ahead and look for human interface devices. Let's look for right here, human interface devices. Now what you want to do is you want to look for your Xbox. I don't have one connected right now, but you would have an Xbox controller connected, and you can go ahead and right click on it, hit properties, and then go ahead and go over to details, or sorry, driver, hit disable device, and then once it has been disabled, go ahead and re-enable it from here. Now once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that should be it. You can also try restarting your PC as well. Now once all of these methods have been completed, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.